a new educationally focused internet service designed to connect parents, kids, and teachers. For more information, 1-800-569-5537.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather or other man-made or natural disasters, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Philadelphia Extended Operational Area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
From National Public Radio News in Washington, I'm Carl.